So let's apply the ratio test.
Probably gonna forget to write that.
Absolute value of the n plus 1 term, which is root x over 2 minus 1 to the n plus 1, divided by the nth term.
They can't. So we'll just get
So the only thing that's left when we do that,
square x over 2 minus 1.
absolute value of the square root of x minus 2 minus 1. That's it.
That doesn't have an n in it.
There's no n left. So when we apply the, as n goes to infinity, it is simply the square root of x over 2 minus 1. So when is this value less than 1? Negative 1. Oops. We got rid of the absolute values there. How about we add 1 to both sides? Oops. It's not an equal sign. That's going to be x. It's going to be x squared over 2. And there's a 2 there. Let's multiply all three parts by 2. So when, for what values of x is x, square root of x between 0 and 4? Between 0 and 2.
16.
16. All right, there we go. So there's our interval of convergence. There's the first answer. What is the sum of this series? Well, I'm going to do the same trick I did last time. When n is 0, what's the first term?
1.
When n is 1, what's the next term?
Square
X over 2 minus 1.
To the first power. And then when n is 2, what do we get next? Okay.
R is root x over 2 minus 1.
A is 1. R is square root of x over 2 minus 1, which means the sum of that infinite series is 1 over 1 minus quantity x squared, root x over 2 minus 1. And clean that up a little bit. Distribute that through. It's going to be 1 over 2 plus root x over 2. And if I did a little bit more common denominating things, probably something like this. Oh, you're right.
Oh,
Nicholas.
those equal signs. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Calm down, hold your horses.
So not only should I not put equal signs in there, but I should make sure that negative sign is correct. At some point, I do need an equal sign, though. X over 2 minus 1 to the m. So that's what that real sum is.
Okay,
Alright.
I have a question.
Sure.
You went from 1 over 2 minus root x over 2 to 2 over 2 minus root x. Nothing happens to the other 2 in the
Should it be 4?
denominator?
Yeah, like 4 minus.
4 minus root x. 2 over 4 minus.
Oh, so when I found the common denominator here and here,
You
That-
didn't use it.
I didn't do that properly.
Okay. Something seemed to.
So it should have been 2 over 4 minus root x.
Hey, that looks like the answer.
Oh, excellent. All right.